Good evening. Today topic is foundry. Generally, the foundries are mostly utilized to manufacturing the metal component. That means a ferrous and non-ferrous metal by melting in certain temperatures and making the different forms for various applications. All metals are made in foundries. After that, it changed the shape based on the application. They are using the lathe or milling machines or directly utilize that machines. Generally, the castings of foundry, the casting foundry is a manufacturing facility where the metal casting is done, involving the metal and pouring into the mold to form a desired shape and solidifications. The foundry process is essential for producing the complex metals parts used in industries like automotive, aerospace, indicator ship areas, pumping industries. Next one is a key process in foundry. First one is a pattern making, creating replica of the final product. Next one is a molding, forming a mold cavity using the pattern. Core making, the making sand cores for internal cavities. The melting is the different type of metals melting for desired shape and size purpose. Melting the metal and pouring into the mold. Solidifications and cooling, allowing the metal to cool and solidify. Shake out, removing the casting from the mold. Cleaning and fetting or finishing, remove the excess material and surface cleaning. Inspection and testing, checking the quality and accuracy of the castings. Next one is a ferrous and non-ferrous metal. Examples of ferrous metal: cast iron, mild steel, stainless steels. These are the ferrous metal. Non-ferrous metal: aluminium, copper, zinc, bronze. These are the different type of metal using in casting industries. Next one is the applications of foundry product: automotive industries, engine block, gearbox, brake drum, braking component, chassis. We can say lot of materials, parts. Aerospace, turbine blade, structural parts, constructions of hull covers, pipes, valve, agricultural tractor components, industrial machineries, pump, compressors, valve, engine bodies, etc. Next one is a foundry pattern. Pattern is a model used to make a mold cavity. The types of foundry patterns include single piece pattern, split pattern, match plate pattern, cope and drop pattern, loose piece pattern, sweep patterns. These are the different type of patterns. First we see the single piece pattern, the simplest type used in the simple shape. Next one is the split pattern, made into two halves for complex shapes. Next one is a match plate pattern, patterns mounted on a plate for higher productions. Cope and drop pattern, each of the mold has corresponding pattern. Loose piece pattern, used when shapes prevent easy pattern removal. Next one is a sweep pattern. Rotating the arm used for a large circular mold. These are the different type of pattern utilizing in foundry divisions. Based on the applications and based on the material, these type of pattern utilizing for making a different type of shape and complex type of products.